Do you experience annoying noises in your car while driving? Visit us today at Malaysia's #1 car soundproofing shop to reduce these noises. To resolve our customer's issue, our shop has recommended soundproofing this area. The area that are soundproof are 4 doors, wheel arches, under wiper, full floor, and fenders. For door, the original door only covered by metal. For the first layer, we installed vibration damper material to reduce door vibration noises. We installed noise insulating material for second layer to block noises coming into the car. For third layer, we installed second layer vibration damping on car middle metal to reduce further vibration noise. Next, we have done a noise solution at inner plastic door trim. The original door trim only covered with plastic. Our installer has installed noise-absorbing material to absorb noises in the door. Other areas that included in the noise reduction solution is under wiper. Under wiper normally covered by metal. We have added vibration damping material to reduce engine vibration noise. For full floor and trunk, these areas only covered by metal originally. Here, we have added vibration damping material and noise insulating material. The aim of installing this material to reduce floor and trunk vibration noise and to reduce floor high-frequency noise. On the wheel arches, we have added vibration damping material to block tire running noise. And lastly, for the fender, we install vibration damping materials to reduce vibration noise and insulating material to block fender high-frequency noise. Both area originally come without any layer cover from factory. Here is the noise report we obtained before and after soundproof installation. Now, this Alza is no longer a weak and noisy car, but a solid and quiet car on the road. If you want to drive your Alza in quiet comfort,
visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.